Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the this bell icon down below, which is the fourth option. Click on this settings button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here, as you can see, you should select the kinds of notifications you get about your activities, interests and recommendations. So click on filters. Here you should filter lower quality content from your notifications. This won't filter out notifications from people you follow or accounts you've interacted with recently. So if you tap on it, you will turn on the quality filter. And if you click on muted notifications, here you can select the people that you would like to mute so that you won't receive notifications from them. So you should tap on these options if you want to turn them on, such as you don't follow, who don't follow you with a new account, who would have a default profile photo, who haven't confirmed their email, who haven't confirmed their phone number. Tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.